Alright, Dad, what's your thought on Carolina squatters? You're from the Midwest. What do you think of this? Is this something you'd be doing to your SUV?
It's called a squat?
Carolina squat. Carolina squat.
Just by the name, you know it's not any good.
I don't know. It looks... He's doing a wheelie.
It's a dog squatting.
So, there you heard it first. Midwest response. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. We are on our way. Right now I got Gucci Gab behind me, my mom, I got my dad in here. We're going to the beach to go see the fireworks. It's 4th of July. If you haven't guessed by the t-shirt I'm wearing, it's not my regular apparel to be going out being like, woohoo! So we're jetting to get there before it gets dark, see the fireworks. I got my brother behind me, and he's down here with his Camaro, so he got some new Borla attack exhaust. He's gonna attack your guys' ears, so let's see if we can hear him when he does a drive-by. What? What's going wrong?
You're not watching the car in front of you.
I'm watching the car in front of me. The camera is in my eyes. Alright, so Gavin just said I have a Cadillac? A Cadillac
I never said that.
Converter? What the heck's that?
I never said that. You're just speaking gibberish.
So, if you guys haven't seen, my brother is here from Illinois.
From Illinois.
But he's
moving down here.
Yeah, but no, he's still homesick, so he's gonna go back to Illinois for a couple more weeks.
That's right.
He wants to leave like this awesome place like this. He'd rather go back to...
I'd rather go to a place where we don't know what the weather will be like. If, you know, it could snow one day, rain the other, and be sunny the next day.
Right, so you want to tell people what you got here, man?
We got the Camaro RS, faster than the Hellcat.
Does it have nails in it like you were saying earlier?
I didn't say anything like that. This guy's just making up stories.
You know, he's been talking about nails. He's like, I need nails to get fun nails.
I never said anything like that. That's what you would say.
Yeah, I know, he said it.
He's the guy that would say it.
So start up, let's hit, because you couldn't do the drive-by. I was trying to get the drive-by, but the Hellcat's too loud.
You can't rev it.
Well, just try starting up. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. People, you know, if you got a V6 Camaro and you want that Borla attack, let's hear it run, man. Start her up. Start her up. Start her up.
He spent a lot of money on exhaust.
Yeah, he spent like so much money on this exhaust, it's ridiculous. Let's hear how it sounds. Start up, bro.
Want to hear some fast stuff?
Yeah, let's hear some fast stuff.
You want to hear some fast stuff?
What?
to 4,000 RPM.
Why is that?
Because the factory got
what?
Factory got this stupid shit.
Why?
Stupid GM stuff.
Why?
Because I wish I got a Dodge.
Whoa! Alright, so we're gonna get ready to go having fun. But no, check this out. Like, there's stuff going on here. They got like this thing that's like a giant jungle gym that's really high. and they got the zip line. Nobody's going by there. And there's like helicopters like crazy. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's a bunch of helicopters all around here. Helicopter tours.
We got fireworks going on over there. Is that the Broadway over there? I mean, Broadway, yeah, Broadway at the beach.
Yeah, right there.
They have the fireworks.
And then look at the flame thing right there. So let's get down on the ground and see what's going on.
On the ground at the beach.
All right, people, on the ready line. Are you me? Yeah. Are you me? Yeah. What are you? What are you?
The sun's out. The sun is not out anymore, so we can't have the guns out, but we still pack it.
Okay, let's get the fireworks.
You're right on that.
I got an RXT system.
Yeah. I wish the Camaro sounded like that.
What's up, man? You staying up here all night?
Probably to the fireworks or so.
I think.
Brother, which one was louder, man?
I think no brainer.
It's like this is wide angle lens, man.
The Camaro.
You don't have to come so close.
The Camaro is louder. I wish the Camaro sounded like that.
People in the comments. You've heard both cars.
Okay, no.
So you heard his Camaro. Tell me your guys' opinion in the comments. You could either go to his channel or mine and comment which car do you think is louder. Do you think the white Camaro is louder, or do you think the Hellcat?
Or the car with the 700 horsepower.
It's more than 700. What do you got? What are you pushing?
Yours is 707.
150? 150 horsepower?
I think I got more than that.
They probably put a supercharger on it.
I know, a supercharger, and then we'll sound cooler.
You just hear the supercharger. The exhaust will sound the same though.
No, I saw it sound like that. I saw somebody with the supercharger and it sound like that slingshot.
Yeah.
No still gonna get attacked?
So a couple days ago, this pier, right? There was a shark attack, or the news claims it was a marine life.
Marine animal.
Marine animal biting people.
Bite some kid at about 2:30 in the afternoon.
Were you there to give medical treatment to those people?
No, I didn't see it happen.
Would you give medical treatment to somebody?
Of course.
What would you do?
Stop the bleeding.
Well, how would you stop that? You take your shirt off?
That's what people have to do. They take off their shirt or whatever.
Do you think we're going to see somebody get attacked by a shark tonight?
I don't think so.
I've seen, well, there's people fishing right over there, and there's people in the water. I think if people went about right there, I think tonight you could see somebody get attacked.
Could be. You know, there's sharks been here just 2 days ago. They were here before. My girl needed 2 surgeries for repair.
Do you think that she'll walk again?
Yeah, she's all right, but she needed 2 separate surgeries.
Is she ready for the fireworks?
I hope so.
Where do you think where are they gonna be at?
That's it.
Thank you.